If there's one restaurant my son and I love eating at, it is JT's Manukan. Ilonggo tayo eh. We like to start off with this Ilonggo soup called kansi, a combination of bulalo and sinigang. It's got jackfruit, beef shanks. Instead of tamarind, a fruit called batuan is used to give that sour taste, along with onions, lemongrass, sili labuyo, and they put aswete for color. Basta, kanamin kid.
Good. Very good.
Before the main course, we need to make the sausawan. Squeeze in calamansi, chop up the sili, lagyan ng toyo, spice vinegar called sinamak, at haluin. We order batikulon, which is gizzard. What we like so much about batikulon is that it is so flavorful and chewy. Now for the main course. First, put chicken oil drip on your garlic rice. No judgment please. Minsan lang naman. Huwag muna natin pag-usapan ang calorie at cholesterol count. Oil pa more. Pagdating sa chicken inasal dito sa Manila nating Beach JT's. Ayan, napapakanta kami sa sarap.
It is such joy just watching you eat. It's my joy. You know that?
Yeah.
Ubos!